click on the image, and at the top, go to Eraser. You have two options, Magic Eraser, which is only for Pro Plan users since it has this crown symbol, or Pixel Eraser, which is for free users. So if you click on Pixel Eraser, you can erase any part of the image that you do not want. So you can increase the size of the eraser, and you can start to manually erase, for example, the background of this photo. So if you're satisfied with the result, you can click Done. And now part of that photo has disappeared. So that's the free way to remove items from the photo. A much quicker way to do it, however, this requires using the Pro plan, is to simply click on Background Remover at the top. This gets rid of the background of the photo. If I wanted to get rid of the foreground of the photo, I would come over to Eraser, Magic Eraser, click on Foreground. This will highlight the foreground of the picture, which Canva predicts, and then click Erase. And now you can see the foreground of the picture has been erased. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.